Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Amarayan Wajul Haq from class 9.6. Usually people call me Arfa. Today, I will explain to you about social media. Social media is a collection of software that's, that allows individuals and communities to gather, share, communicate, and in certain cases collaborate or play with each other. Social media has the power of user-generated content, where content is generated by users, not by editors as in mass media agencies. Social media has several characteristics. One of them is first, network. Network is the infrastructure that connects computer with other hardware. This connection is necessary because communication can occur if computers are connected, including data transfer. Second, information. Information becomes an important entity on social media because of social media users creating representation of their identity, producing content, and performing information-based interaction. Third, archive. For social media users, archive become a character that explains that information has been stored and can be accessed at any time and via any device. Fourth, interaction. Social media forms a network between users that does more than just expand relationship of friendship or follower only, but must be built with interaction between users. Fifth, social simulation. Social media has the character of being a medium for society in the virtual world. Social media has unique features and patterns that in many cases are different and not found in real society. Seek content by user. On social media, the content is entirely owned and based on contribution from users or account owners. UGC is a symbiotic relationship in new media culture that gives users the opportunity and freedom to participate. This is different from old traditional media where the audience was limited to being a passive object or target in message distribution. Social media has several types. One of them is first, social networking media. Social networking media is the most popular medium. This media is a means that users can use to carry out social relationship including the consequence or effect of the social relationship in the virtual world is that its users from a network of friends but towards users they already know the possibility of meeting each other in the real world offline or forming new friendship networks. Example of social networks that are widely used are Facebook and WhatsApp. Second, online journal. Blogs are social media that allow users to upload daily activity, comment, and share links on their website, information, and so on. In the beginning, blogs are from from a personal site that contains a collection of links to other sites that are considered interesting and updated every day. In further development, blogs have many journals of media owner and there are comment columns that can be filled in by users. Mechanically, this type of social media can be divided into two, namely the personal homepage category, where the owner uses his own domain such as .com or .net, and the second uses the facilities of a free weblog page provider such as WordPress or Blogspot. Third, simple online journal or microblog. No different from online journal, microblogging is a type of social media that facilitates users to write and publish activity as well as his opinion. The most widely used example of microblogging is Twitter. Fourth, media sharing. Media sharing sites are a type of social media that facilitates users to share media starting from document files, videos, audio, images, and so on. Examples of these media are YouTube, Photobucket, and other. Fifth, social bookmarking. Social bookmarking is social media that was to organize, store, manage, and search for certain information or new online. The main characteristic of social networking site, some social bookmarking sites are popular are Delicious.com, StumbleUpon.com, Reddit.com, and other. 6. Share content media or wiki. This social media is site whose content is the result of collaboration between its user, similar to a dictionary or encyclopedia. A wiki presents users of understanding history to book reference or links about one word. In practice, the explanations are carried out by visitor. This means that there is collaboration or cooperation from all visitors to fill in the content on, on this site. Social media has positive impact and negative impact for us. The positive impact is first, make the learning process easier because when we experience obstacle or difficult in learning, we can access information from social media which will improve our learning achievement. Second, it makes it easier to interact with other people. That is, if we experience problem, we can we can easily contact our teacher or other people to get good learning result that can support our learning achievement. Third, increasing the insight who can use social media very useful will make it easier to hone their ability to analyze, assess various information obtained with increase over time until they cannot realize they have developed their abilities. Fourth, support for learning material can help identify additional content to expand material originating from social media such as YouTube, which provide video to clarify learning material. The negative impact social media is first, addictive. It can it cannot be denied that the user will find it difficult to get away from social media. Valuable time is spent using social media, especially for people who sleep every day with social media in their hands. Second, pornography. If students use if students use it in bad ways, will have an impact on their learning, playing environment, and also their behavior. If that happens, students will find it difficult to understand the material taught by the teacher because they only think about things that are not material. Third, laziness. For addict will affect their personal lives. For example, at school, they don't get assignment, don't stray away from the teacher. At home, they become lazy about doing school assignment, resulting in red marks and school performance decrease. And the last, distru- disrupting student learning concentration at school. When they start to get bored with the teacher explanation, they will take out their cell phone to play on social media, whether WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and other. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.